Hello friends, Namaskar. Good morning. I am your Professor Mrinal Mehta from JG College of Commerce. Students, today we are going to do one markers, short answers, MCQ, कुछ भी नाम दे, but one of the important part of your exams. Today we are going to do MCQs of Human Resources Management, Unit 1. Okay? Come. Let's do it. Uh, First question, human resource management is a blank philosophy. We have four options, old, modern, rigid and curative. Answer is, it is a modern philosophy. We have studied the different phases of evolution of human resource management, and from that we can say that HRM is a modern philosophy. Second, blank is the first stage of human resource planning. We have four options, collecting the data, forecasting manpower, determining goal or objective of the organization, and none of this. Your answer is C, that is determining the goal and objective of the organization. As we all know, till we do not set the goal, we cannot plan anything. Then the third one, which of the following is not a role of human resource manager? Again, we have four options, counselor, mediator, self-improvement and spokesman. The answer is C, that is self-improvement. All the three others like a counselor, mediator and a spokesman are the role done by the human resources manager during their as a part of their duty. Fourth, which of the following is not an internal factor of human resource planning? We have four options, social, size of the business, production and finance. Correct answer is A, that is social, because rest of the three are internal factors which we can handle, which we can manage, but the social factors we cannot handle and we cannot manage. Next is appointing new employee in a place of old who leave the organization is referred as or is known as absenteeism, labor turnover, promotion or transfer. Answer is B, that is labor turnover. जब कोई पुराना एम्प्लॉय कंपनी छोड़कर जाता है, चाहे किसी भी रीजन से हो, चाहे रिटायर्ड होके जा रहा हो, उसकी जगह पर जब हम नया एम्प्लॉय लाते हैं तो वी कॉल्ड इट लेबर टर्नओवर. Sixth, which of the following is not an employment function of human resources management? Options are selection, training, placement and orientation. Answer is B, that is training. Rest of the three are the parts of procurement, but training is given to an employee only after the joining of the employee, only after he become an employee to the organization. The next is, which of the following is not an external factor affecting human resource planning? इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा फैक्टर है जो एक्सटर्नल नहीं है? ठीक है, जो फैक्टर्स ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग को अफेक्ट करते हैं उसमें से इसमें से इन चार में से कौन सा है जो एक्सटर्नल नहीं है? द फर्स्ट इज लेबर लॉ, सेकेंड इज ट्रेड साइकिल, थर्ड इज local custom, fourth is rate of labor turnover in the organization. Answer is rate of labor turnover in the organization or the firm, because बाकी तीनों चीजें, तीनों ऑप्शंस एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स है. इंटरनल फैक्टर्स के अंदर सिर्फ और सिर्फ लेबर टर्नओवर रेशियो जो सिर्फ हमारी फर्म को इम्पैक्ट करेगा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. HRM is rigid in compared to PM. Answer is false, because HRM is more flexible in compared to PM. The next is HRM deals with the financial area of management. As you all know, it's a false, because human resource management means area of a human resources of the management, or HRM deals with the area of human resources of the organization. 10. HRM functions are classified into blank and blank categories. The options are managerial, operative, planning and process. Okay. Answer is managerial functions and operative functions. Managerial functions are PODC and operative functions are procurement, training and development, compensation management, performance appraisal, industrial relations and welfare. Okay, let's move to the next. HR planning is an objective activity linked with the blank use of manpower. What the statement wants to say? कि HR प्लानिंग एक ऐसा एक्टिविटी है या ऐसी एक्टिविटी है जिसके थ्रू हम किस तरह से ह्यूमन बीइंग को या ह्यूमन रिसोर्स को या मैन पावर को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. We have three options: optimum use, minimum use and underutilized. Our answer is optimum use of manpower. क्योंकि HRM do not believe in exploiting the people, but on other side we do not want them to be underutilized. HRM has a wider scope than PM. Answer is true, because the functions of HRM, the scopes of HRM is very wider in compared to the limited scopes of PM. 30. HRM is concerned with all employees of the organization. Answer is true. HRM is concerned with everyone. The person sitting at the top of the pyramid of the hierarchy or at the bottom. We are concerned for all the level of employees connected with the organization. Next is PM is highly concerned with the paperwork in compared to HRM. Answer is true. In personnel management, we focus more on the paperwork, because as we know that this phase, the phase of PM is known or is more concerned with the legal or legislative activities. So whatever legal documentations or paperwork is required for the official work, yes, we are more concerned for that as in compared to human resources management. Next, according to PM, the function related to employee is a task of expertise. What PM believe? That function, whatever function which is related to the human beings of the organization, that all functions are the function of experts. And your answer is true. But in HRM, we believe that any function which is related to the employee is not a task of an expert, but it is a task of each and every leader, each and every manager. So we believe that it is a task of everyone, but according to PM is a task of expertise. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Thanks for your attention.